Hello, welcome to our hotel.
Hello, I have a booking.
What is your full name?
My name is Mark Smith.
Let me check the system.
I booked a single room.
Yes, for 3 nights total.
Does it have a window?
Yes, it has a window.
Is breakfast included for me?
Yes, breakfast is fully included.
What time is the breakfast?
It starts at 7 o'clock.
Can I see my room?
I need your passport first.
Here is my travel passport.
Thank you very much, sir.
Do I pay the cash?
You can pay right now.
Here is the paper money.
This is your room key.
Which floor is my room?
It is on floor 5.
Where is the main elevator?
It is on your right.
Hello, I need some help.
What is the problem, sir?
My room is very hot.
Is the air conditioner on?
Yes, but it is broken.
Does it make a noise?
Yes, a very loud noise.
What is your room number?
My room is 510.
I will send a master.
When will he come here?
He will come very soon.
Should I wait inside there?
Yes, please wait inside now.
Can I change my room?
Let the master check first.
I cannot sleep like this.
Do not worry about it.
Will it take very long?
No, just a few minutes.
Okay, I will go back.
The master is walking up.
Thank you for quick help.
We want you to rest.
I will open the door.
Hello, is this room service?
Yes. How can I help?
I want to order food.
What do you want today?
I want a chicken sandwich.
Do you want some fries?
Yes, add some hot fries.
What would you like drinking?
Bring me hot black tea.
Do you need some sugar?
Yes, 2 bags of sugar.
Is that all for today?
Yes, that is all now.
Your room number is 10.
Yes, I am in 10.
Room 10, I got it.
How long will it take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
How much is the total?
It is exactly $15.
I will pay with cash.
The waiter will bring change.
Please knock on the door.
He will knock very loudly.
Thank you. I am waiting.
Hello. Reception desk here. Yes, this is the reception. I need some clean towels. How many towels do you need? I need 2 large towels. Are there none inside there? I used them this morning. I will send new ones. Do you have a blanket? Are you feeling cold today? Yes, the night is cold. I will send a blanket. Do I pay for this? No, it is completely free. Can I get some soap? Yes, 2 pieces of soap. I also need toilet paper. The maid will bring everything. When will she come here? She will come right now. I am in room 7. Room 7. I noted it. Thank you for your help. You are very welcome, sir. Have a very good day.
Hello, I want to leave.
Good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, my time is up.
Give me your room key.
Here is the plastic card.
Did you use the minibar?
No, I drank only water.
The water is fully free.
Did you check the room?
Yes, everything is perfectly fine.
Do I owe any money?
No, you paid everything yesterday.
Here is a small tip.
Thank you very much, sir.
Can you call a taxi?
Yes, I will call one.
I need to go airport.
The airport is very near.
How long will taxi wait?
It will arrive in 5.
I will sit right here.
Have a very safe flight.
Thank you for good service.
Please come back next year.
I will definitely visit again.